Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our weekly home and lifestyle tips. Today's question is one we've all asked at some point. How can I make my house look beautiful? Whether you're living in a rented apartment, your first home, or planning a makeover, I've got 10 powerful and practical tips that will help you transform your space without breaking the bank. So grab a notebook, or just sit back and relax. Let's dive right in. Before you buy anything new or rearrange furniture, the first step to a beautiful home is decluttering and cleaning. Clutter instantly makes any space feel cramped, messy, and chaotic. So take some time to go room by room and remove anything you don't need, use, or love. Then, do a deep clean. I'm talking wiping baseboards, cleaning under furniture, polishing mirrors, washing windows. You'll be amazed how much more beautiful your home looks just by being clean and organized. Color can totally change the energy of your space. Pick a color palette that makes you feel relaxed, happy, or inspired, and stick with it throughout your home. You don't need to paint every wall. You can introduce colors through pillows, rugs, curtains, art, flowers, or even furniture. Some great color themes include neutral tones with earthy accents, black and white with pops of gold or green, soft pastels like blush, sage, or sky blue. Consistency in color makes your home feel put together and visually appealing. A beautiful home isn't just about how it looks, it's also about how it feels. Make sure your furniture is arranged in a way that promotes flow and function. You want to be able to walk around easily and sit comfortably. Don't overcrowd a room. Sometimes, less is more. Use area rugs to define spaces, especially in open floor plans. And when possible, pull furniture away from the walls to create a more intimate and inviting layout. Lighting can make or break the beauty of your home. Natural light is the best, so keep your windows clean and use light curtains that let sunlight in. But for nighttime, layer your lighting. Overhead lights for general illumination, table lamps or floor lamps for cozy vibes, accent lighting to highlight art, plants, or shelves. Warm bulbs tend to feel more welcoming than cool white ones. Just changing your bulbs can instantly change your home's mood. Your house becomes your home when it reflects you. Display photos of family, friends, or your travels. Hang art that speaks to your soul, whether it's a painting, a print, or something you created. You can also use books, souvenirs, or DIY crafts to make your space feel more meaningful. Don't copy Pinterest or Instagram exactly. Add personal elements that tell your story. Plants are one of the easiest ways to beautify any space. They add life, color, and freshness. Plus, they help purify the air and boost your mood. Some beginner-friendly houseplants include snake plant, pothose, ZZ plant, spider plant, peace lily. If you struggle with keeping plants alive, no worries. High-quality fake plants work too. You can also bring in fresh flowers weekly. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. Textures and fabrics play a huge role in how cozy and beautiful your home feels. Think soft throw blankets, plush rugs, quality bedding, stylish curtains, linen or cotton pillow covers. Choose fabrics that feel nice to touch and that match your color scheme. Mix textures, like pairing leather with velvet or cotton with knit, to add depth and interest. A well-dressed couch or bed instantly upgrades the whole room. A clutter-free home is a beautiful home. So smart storage is key. Use baskets, bins, shelves, and hidden storage solutions to keep things tidy. For example, store shoes in an entryway bench. Use underbed boxes. Add wall-mounted shelves. Choose coffee tables with storage underneath. Make sure everything in your home has a home. When things are neatly stored, your space looks larger and more inviting. A beautiful home doesn't just look nice, it smells nice. Scents can make a space feel clean, relaxing, or luxurious. Try scented candles, essential oil diffusers, incense, or even fresh herbs in the kitchen. Some popular home scents include lavender, relaxing; citrus, energizing; vanilla, warm and cozy; eucalyptus, fresh and clean. Just one signature scent throughout your home can make it feel like a spa or boutique hotel. Creating a beautiful home isn't about buying everything at once. It's about making intentional choices over time. Ask yourself, does this item bring me joy? Does it serve a purpose? Does it match my style? Be patient. Allow your space to evolve slowly. Make small upgrades monthly, like switching out old towels, updating your doormat, or rearranging your shelves. A beautiful home is a living process, not a one-time event. Even if you only have a small porch or balcony, don't neglect your outdoor areas. Add a small table and chairs, some string lights, and a few potted plants. Maybe even an outdoor rug. These little touches can turn even a tiny space into your favorite hangout spot. Plus, curb appeal boosts how your entire house feels, inside and out. So there you have it, 10 easy and affordable ways to make your house look absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first, or if you have your own secret for making your home stunning. Share it with the community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and share it with a friend who needs a little home glow up. Until next time, stay inspired, stay creative, and keep making your house a home. Bye for now.